And with all that sunshine, you are going to need sunscreen if you're going to be outside at all. It's something we need to think about all summer. Dr. Joy Greene with High Point University School of Pharmacy here with us. Thanks for being with us this morning.
Thank you very much.
All right, so let's talk about buying sunscreen. There are bottles and numbers all over the shelves from 15 to 100.
That's right.
How do you navigate buying sunscreen?
Right. Well, let's start with how can we make this convenient? Because we need to wear sunscreen to protect our skin.
Okay.
So one easy tip, especially for ladies, is buy it in your moisturizer.
Okay.
So this is a generic product that I use every day. SPF of 15. I use it on my face every day, in my neck and my ears, and that's an easy way to have protection on a daily basis. But then you have SPF.
Right.
So like you said, we have 8, 15,
all the way up.
All the way up. So the sun protective factor of 15 is going to cover about 93% of the UVB rays.
Okay.
So you're going to get a lot of protection with the SPF 15.
Yeah.
And the 15 stands for if I burn outside with nothing on in 10 minutes, if I wear a sunscreen with SPF 15, I take that 10-minute burn times 15. Now I'm not going to burn for 150 minutes.
Okay.
So it extends the length of your skin until it burns. So the higher you go, the longer you can be outside.
Okay, very good. And you say keeping it in terms of spray or lotion, you kind of prefer the lotion because it goes on a little smoother, more evenly.
Right. The lotion is going to rub in a little bit better, but the spray is definitely more convenient with kids. I mean, they're in the pool, they're out, you want to reapply every couple of hours, dry them off real quick, spray them down, wait 15 minutes before they go into the water. That's just so much more convenient.
It is, but just make sure they're dry.
That's right.
And people really don't apply enough.
Oh, no, no, no. They just take a couple of squirts in their hand, but we want to talk about how much to apply.
So for adults, 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons should cover your entire body, and I usually put a little extra on my face.
Okay.
Also,
show how many pumps that would be.
Yes. So we just keep on going here. So for one,
I was going to count them, but you're going so fast.
Look at this.
That's for, this would probably be for a child, and
this would
half
be
the amount for an
adult.
adult.
Look how many pumps that was.
Yes.
Right, and so we want to double that for adults. So making sure that you're not conservative with how much you're putting on.
A lot of babies can have a sensitive skin, especially. Some people just have sensitive skin to sunscreen. You have a product that you really like.
Yes, I use this for my daughter whose skin was sensitive, this Blue Lizard brand. It's pretty pricey, but it does not have any of the items that causes irritation to the skin. And for most kids, they can use this pretty safely.
Now you have an affordable way if you want to block out everything, like the lifeguards have the zinc on their nose and their cheeks.
The zinc oxide, you can buy it in different forms, but really the most convenient way is diaper rash cream.
That's Decedent.
That's right, it's Decedent. So you can buy a product for diaper rash, you can use it as a skin protectant and for sunscreen.
And it's a lot more affordable. Just put it on like the lifeguards do, over the nose, over the cheeks.
Right.
If you happen to get a sunburn, what is the most effective way to kind of get some healing or relief from that burn?
So cool compresses is one way, but also using aloe vera. So aloe vera, you can buy it in a generic form at the pharmacy, put it in the refrigerator. That makes it nice and cool when you put it on. But I also love to have what we call a burn plant around my house. So we just have this on our back patio, and you can get the aloe out of the plant. You can feel how gooey it is. Yeah,
and you just rub it right on.
Just rub it right on.
And it does help with the burn. Also wear clothing to protect yourself.
Don't forget that.
Shirt. We've got more with Joy coming up. We're going to talk about bug bites and bee stings, and we're going to talk about your first aid kit, having one in your car, in your house. She's got lots of great information for your summer coming up to keep everybody feeling good.